Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Figma app for building affiliate landing pages. To download the Figma app, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.figma.com and hit enter. Once the Figma homepage loads, look for the sign up or login button located in the top right corner. If you already have a Figma account, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button to create a new one. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and set a password. After creating your account, you will be directed to the Figma dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Download Figma button. Click on the button to be directed to the download page. You will see options for different operating systems. Select the appropriate download link for your system, Windows or Mac. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Figma installation file and double-click to open it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. When the installation is finished, you can find Figma in your Applications folder or Start menu. Open the Figma app and log in with your account credentials. You are now ready to start building affiliate landing pages using Figma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.